Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gist. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
When I away me, brother me, a cotton will anybody know again, marriage or don't invite a woman. Or when one winner, as far go worried to tour, you most I don't pan away choppy or Amujaka visitor. There is nobody, even men of Guana, over here, Joe, my Baba, so do I, or what I with a big bear, ya in what a nick by my music, Joe. I reckon me temu day, gave with a great yamu. Immature with prayer. I welcome a visitor. A visitor Kawala, we set in or welcome your way. Not telling our nitty. Me young we or time we wake or talent, many magic talent. I praise you. Now, Umawe nitty why am who are you, our brother? Omobo was soon we bonoga Nigeria in market. Ukmebe no we have yes 1 month no me fi worry o when e kwonu we mu reve na no do lo yeji. Ume do mo me be dag mo go ru de visitor u ya dowe. Am pe be do ge 30 euro e ha legbe. U ya dowe e pillow u change e ave pillow no keke no ana avie ase la we no reve u file yakwa afile pillow kwa bete brother o ma file kwa. Dewe ke bakba o gwa no boke awwa uto mo la dia see us when I debut we no go gbogbo give I no we fridge a television no mu ne no ge o piripiri a television ma clear aye lu egbe television ni be na a television no amo television we does be television e bomu fo a e form no we have here uwe mo e does be when wana we for mo expire be webo why lo ye for mo egbe ga khiama oni we no a girlfriend we do lo yeji oni ma ta me gbe but una mo wa no we bo una do amu he mai but you don't live fine, you don't live good, but wa mo wa no bo mai appreciate we no deni areju wo wa we brother o kun go say 500 ya we chopping o pa me bonu lo take de ka ma we ya tell away do ka mo pu no ma we ya tell away u ga wa mo gba just because of a visitor we ya dame you wa. Itamu wana vena ya welcome a visitor. Ugatega one juice no cheap isereki just because of a visitor to register ragmo. Pick a vaccine or happy way. Those are the reason. Utiok we video call. Ukmebe di no bege wi yeke we 6 1 month no me ye fi egori e. Ewebo. Ukmebe di sometimes 3 days afi egori ne. 4 days after the pain when we are gay. Egbe 1 week akefi ewuri. A visitor de do to awe. A talk where we no gbin we no see e betun. We ye see ajo. We me another new a talk where no me eva ni e ya wulo ne. We make it the new talk where a visitor we ye we visitor ni buri e talk where lele gbere. When the Majimeri tower go but ever ya tower, una se tower we no keke, no we ke yaki gbogbe na 3 months ne, una ye sioni ayu we betru. Ari ye ke betru we ye mak be rokpa. E toilet wo mak ye rokpa wu ni de visitor. Just ye wu wina, but a visitor almost we cleaning. Very nice. If not so, again, baba ni won mu we gboto na wo si o truthful. Oh, this boy when I come visit. Wa give I know e kere be fridge obiri no. Ugari e ba e kere be webo. Una e waiting you later. Ya mukoa. Ari e makere mu ye fridge. Unwo me ga kere. Ege gbegbera 2 days. The next uri yo. Una igbera 3 days no riane u ya mukoa. Ya mukoa brother. Ikpe awanya message na. Ave siwe ugame visitor e boss siwe ganyaga ona keke brother file yakwa. Just because of your visitor, you are chopping egbewe. A singlet wear a keke just because of your visitor. Feel a singlet in ikwan who are delaway. Iku ahia ya mik betia depend on bon. Itoria iku. So where? Ube dog mo because do you calwe perfume just because of your visitor who are delenia? A visitor my zina welcome. Or my zina welcome. Ume slippers iwo just because of your visitor keke no ame slippers. Cause onu wa ka vi on of keep bata we. Cause e ma ya vi slippers lele gbere. If you don't know, make you know, brother. Imagine why inviting you in December, why mo gbe kenya. If I oru wa. E no re nenu ko do atobo edo ajige idele ba e gbe gbede opo giver. Ukoni we ka keke. Brother, you need to ban ukyoe. Ya danyo na yak bukoni. Eba kwero no yak bukoni usoke ukbe. Wa ego wa we mani to wono pa invite vi meni ya do tu wa o. Ikwe ni ado mu infection. Again ye pa wa ni lebo gata we I don't carry toilet disease. I don't carry toilet disease. Where do I wake up? Come. Onye ya were gbere be to be. Even na yak be toilet we me be toilet. You eat cheap iseveki. Okay, so when a visitor at your way, toilet throw, ume, no jame yak bonisa. Dog alwa me yak bonisa, on your business, we make sure we make toilet throw. Okay, can you join your what? The full packets. I want more big visitor. While you orange juice, who de coca, who de fanta, different type of orange juice with me. Okay, man, do I live of your way when you can live, we will continue. But a boy you go to jege mo visitor we je boy. So a fridge will be get. I will be bed we ni. Make sure a bed no stain. A spam can't stain a bed we. Instead of you to buy cover cloths or raw. Now why cover the bed. So that anytime when you dress a bed, that cover cloth in I say ki o my brother. See I again you hear you bed or do me where or see gbe ni spam what stay ni bed we begin you hear respect you where o ma go no ko ala wo bia okin waya ya stick be ke cut talk e do de boyo na o gwe no ko do to we wa we Christian working oridi o wa we na o de bo de yonuru oh inu wenu loliver ya no lo wenega you book kan wo panu wo ko ni ya love you we and this is the personal time mama where I'm a Christian working but ogi so wa wo debo you nuru udokpa ude yo pin wido ogi no we na kwa bo wetu ya protect gbewe and wo ma no go a Christian a visitor my easy and una si oku ayo wa brother wa ri wina ukere ya se gbe form we ton emu ko so no awo manuki veni meje mewe iki owa we ya se gbogbo bata we imezi oboyo ugwe no kwodo to we ogire na wadu amogwa no bo ma begi bata no ro we veni wana igi ikwo na imebege ne ya lakopia no be dress kere ya magwe no wa mo trouser yonisa but at least who will dress as a man. Okay, I say that be bossasi. A bossasi, even no be bossasi na be dioma gba. Oye laka. Oye sira. Okay, I go and reje bossasi. Ona do mi jolo de sewu we. I bet we amo wa we ma go gwanipo. Okay, I love you we. Those are the things no mo bog be love. Osaloba not yet the not time waya. Let's see Jesus Christ. Not yet one in Maya. Okay? So then wa ya ala new relationship na. Wa keke no wa un lele me no lele kia. Mama, ugwe no pia ve do tu we wa. Emi no momo ya ko ge eroto. Awon mota re mi lele ya. Ega no momo ega no mu no momo no e ge eroto. O pia ni agu we kwa ge. O ma se no pia ya be block you we line. No we are this in wa we ke ko me bara no ta we deni ya ko we. Better I go watch you, better man no way. Cause I ain't gonna know Baba no way block you, kwa we. O we joke ya le loku o we, o kwa agmi we gbe. O tie we wo we no me ye ku e. O tie we ba van me ye ku e. O tie we wo ta sister o me ye ku e. O pe ni ya love you we. Ma bege go e ma. Na, go momo, egu no ro igbe, o bego kwa video call. Egu e sana. Ogwa na agwa be ni eri ogwa be akoko mo no bie ni o be we very your sister abege so okwa ayore bo wi ewu yakwe ko mo no bie ujo egu be je gwo mo ge no pe abege wu ku ene ya akwe no wego ni don ba for of course na akwo wi me ya go ma ko. So there are many things no keke ni ma magbi mai eri ma bijima o idori ma to tata mi ma it's too late. You have to learn from somebody else. Eva na me Facebook una be learn me gbiyan ya dress. Una like the dressing or dress. Una like even no ya maintain gbe after 2 or 3 children. Learn from there. Wa me mo vivi e mo bo we station no me. You can still learn from there. We he wa like a station a woman. You only wa be ajebe yana. Learn from there. Uma na learn very ogbon You may have money more than that person. No. And you know, Jehu or Jewe. I to milk mono musiveke unante. Wa be mi wana gbono we Jewe. We no ya but you can learn from there. Sister na, we are ya to ya. A panty no wunu ya mi mezis. Una we kuen lelegbe. Ahia ya to wa we shopping sister. Wa ge mo pa disivu wa agbon ya wa na wa we choppy. You must have better perfume. Number 1. Pint a bra. New one. They are one no. Do vi no that pint ha. Vie pint no bungbe. Wa we betu wa bi a obo ni. Betu make sure we pint na wa we neat. Wa we tie you wa we deke gbo kan. A pint we no wune. Uri lelegbe. Ejo pe ya valo ko when any tana sister wa re ke no pe aje de better pancake du mi san wa violelegbe o wa ere to fi ponju enu ari ba ni ya mo we no gbin we no ri wi abiye we na kun lelegbe ado do pia o ma ti o e o ke akia a vi pon no gbin we je travel mo nu ka jone ujo enu pa igbava ori le o do iye o keke nu o edu na la kene newu o ke gberegbe o ke akia o ga to amu iwe lelegbe make sure we chopping in money won awa we chopping na so you 1000 ya we chopping and travel one ya no travel de tibata keni je Nigeria ko ga we boke ya one ya no travel. Ya se gbe we von e so de. Ya mana de we von e fi seto. Better one. Wa ya je 500 euro ya de ticket go and come 300 get to no mu nyan. It's 5 euro. Why say anu ya 500 euro ya we chopping jinyawa. Why road to go we momijoro iwaju igo ni ze only 500 but get me better no mulelegbe area. No, think about yourself. Forget about food. O ma na redo to wo ori ra e no ma o fit o ma. O ma na redo to wo wa. O ma na we de kere no ri la tan be we ka metene gbugwe ni giye e wo ma redo to yen e wo redo to yen. Wa jo ya tu won we ku enu mi perfume yegbe o ke lo be ba ko to we ku we mi perfume ye gbe we ra pa o do wo ye aru o wa ni emi ami we e avasi na e wa dori enu wa ya. God will bless you all. Salobo ari afia gbene gede gbenu wa. Wari ebe avasi na won brother try and work on yourself. O pe agbeto every 2 weeks o pe agbeto. E gi go dawe. Wa la go mujo wa agbeto every 2 months. Wa ke ya atrato o pe ani ye. Wa ke ya atrato ku e. Wa se tu ajuhun da afro we mu o ya kave. Afro gbigo se. Do what man every week I cover afro. Woman ameti aje salu learn how to do it by yourself. Do na we go no ya gbe to be salu agba abolo. E criminal na ya zetie wa gbe yo wa ki okie ya. Amana ki okie gba lo no ye resobrate ya ki okie no. Gwale ki okie o pe agbeto. Paka isi etukwa e for 1 month. Wa we gwa mi opo. Doko no la ko wa veri o. O pe agbeto fresh in the face. Uden o wa ko wa be. Akane ma 2 months e gbeto. And one, we no kodo to we. Eto no ro we ye. O sa ameti pelebe. Egena o pe akoko no agi se to ajiye. Agi ki okiye. Okay? Brother, do can it a visitor and almost to need. You must learn her. Do kakwe 2 or 3 times, 2 times a day. When you have a visitor who almost to akwe 2 times a day. Do come perfume, brother. Make sure you have the perfume you want. A visitor can say kenuje. Better one, a perfume get €5. One back from €50 up. I can go down and make boy. It be one na. If you not there, you buy my master one about you wa. Cause he my boy. Where when I will be any money will my lack up piano we. My lack up piano saints. O what paro no lack no o what paro no my lack up piano we. No my lack up piano maintain bay. There is no woman. O no woman in my fien. Just because you know one win you not maintain but no gunu or admire way. I was here to attend where my we are. Oda fun we na ogano o wa ifa ke le fit gbe oda fun we na ke le mete ne gbege wo e give no oge very nice, you know. So make sure you have the perfume, brother. Emi po de na ina ria verse na nu wa e ge €100 da we no ya de 2 perfume 50 ya we sold. I think from next month. Why you're in the that white singlet and nika wa to me perfume we wa bege ge ni oh we na o iga we na wo be di we go o nu we gbe din eji be do ma ohun ibana o wa yoro wa te phone mu e valo we o kwa yoro wo na tro wo na te phone mu e ge ko mari ri o kwa yoro wo wie ona tro wo na gba we ginu bu we ge te ko ri o wa pick a verse na o ga e pu wa ya so wa ya de won ni tana brother o ru pa iro kakara ke ya agimi mo no gi sie tu aye begena egene da na te sie tu aye bakara egena agwa ki okie iye akara we ni tana brother we no ko do 2 hours since 2 months no ma ri gbe takara we oni ga ere etoto do afun we ma awa gbe wa je no pata mo wa we o ya wa gbe ti eme ero wa afile uga ewe uga gbo ijo ero file o sun alwe shape uga be uga lo shape ero file o sun alwe cream u change obo. There is nobody. Ya say etonorugo nisa. Agi gbe na etoro nisa. Wa je mo pa disivu wa. Iye agwa be meteni yen kikpe akiko. We meteni yen ri pe abe meteni yen. We me nitana brother. Ugwe o ta khiyon e. Ko so ko gare do to wo kinwe gbe ya. Erugwe no ko beje. O pe abe kinwe gbe. Many people see honoring away or obirino. When a pologua, a yak bolegbe. When a hiogua, a yak hiegbe. When a demiok monjo, where ya demiok monjek bomber. Yeah. Ria me sell a message na. Atatogwe, ikpe akpa atatogwe, erikwo be mete na atatogwe. Atatogwe we ga valor ya gwa le solution jo. Atatogwe we ga strong, agbe e creamy yo. Atatogwe we ga strong, agbe e creamy yo brother or sister. Ibata ga balo we change size we. Ugalwe 39 bi bata ogwo balo we so alwe 40. Ugalwe 40 ona ogwo balo we bi bata so alwe 41. What am today's the message? I go to be balo. Ugave visitor brother e bata no e slippers no gbawo wa ge go keke visitor do file kwa. You are dogogbon. Won awa we choppy. Ata we ayin nothing no. No. We choppy. A television when you know piri ya oni. A television mana clear ojo ma ya me high problem. Wabo moment the television uri 300 giju no ya mi obori omo a television get 300 euro to etawa ne television na dala jona aga again the price of television is down ami ogo bi ogu ami ogo dafen the television 300 euro o wa polo weki opolo wa je mo pa deceive wa uri 200 uri giju but you cannot use 200 to maintain yourself. One of book bebe no wayavi all we are fear of for. All we are for. Book bebe dia menwe beto siviero. Iviero do amuno we egbe do atolo we. For una wa we ebubero eiti or se bube. God bless you all. Ni pike call matime. Hello, God bless you.
Bless you, mommy. Good afternoon.
God bless you. I'm on live video.
Okay, mommy. Mommy, it's me. Is the boy that called you from Libya.
Okay.
Yes, mom. I'm so sorry to interrupt you this time. I know that you are very busy. I was looking for opportunity to talk to you.
Okay, but I'm on live video.
No problem, mommy. All right, no problem. Then I will drop a voice note for you.
Okay. Hello, we je me call site we. Wa was send the receipt na record the any game no good send there. Wa talk by say.
Mommy, I talk by, Mama, I talk by. Mommy, message you no give na matter no, but we might so the BCS so you know. Our mama na boy, mommy, message you no wa give na it's the best thing in way of life. The message now in money book not ya no, but if we might so I be when every majority in my na.
Hello, brother McCall.
Mommy, I talk.
He say, what talk by?
Let's forget now. Saba deba when he said, "Video, me what that video we have to make it
Mm. Usawesi. Wa ma wesi. Hello, from Italy.
Hello, mommy, you're at software.
He said, oh, site where?
Mommy, Larry's a boa.
Koji.
Your mommy, worry like a message you walk is enough. Emeta wa kele wa no mommy.
Wesi.
Emeta wa no.
Wesi.
When ikpima we gbinwe, riko we gbinwe, ikpima la o wa we gbinwe we anase ni unbe nwiya ya abuya enekere. Nwiya abuya, ya we matodo, body odo. Ase kisi ya, ani ya vile ake kisi se. When ya we akpakon.
Unu ya wawia.
Unu bi abuya mere yae. Men yae, det nyari same mae. Unu ya go. Ogo, nya buka le no ga mapu. When ya pakon, na ya so wu mi awe do the supermarket ya o he mommy. Umi pe so eri fo beje o. Ifo so le ro nu ya be fia. Mu ya ga go, o hi pe ma no ro. O no hi say mere ni ai. La mommy re ku re tani ya pakon. Ko go pe na pakon wo se ti ki se le me ya o mo pe na awu me fi so me ni ya o.
He said, where door, where my boyfriend here? My boyfriend. But then the canuna mioge no we are. Okay, look how well nuega we are.
Normally we are.
How we have no his son.
Cause when I did his son, they we no me mind. We are okay. Why mommy have a call when you say, oh no go.
Easy! Go! Hello, hello.
Mommy Yuri.
Hey, Osaiti, where God?
Osaiti, where?
He said,
Mommy Yuri, now you see the talk.
Okay.
We get waiting. I want to contribute for this issue where you did. So before I contribute for this issue, let me just go back to one of your video when I was what I did before yesterday. You do the video. I see one video when you did angry of somebody. When one lady, you say the woman call you Barry, all those things.
No, that one don't pass. That one don't pass. You have more talk today. Oh.
No, wait. I get what I want to tell you. Please, I can't go beg you.
No, they remind me of yesterday matter. If you talk and even if you want to advise me, don't you record and come give me not be today. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Me will talk today. Oh.
I cried with you when I watched that.
I don't want to remember that yesterday matter. The thing touched me, no.
Oh, me myself, I want to talk little bit, but let me forget that issue. Then another thing again. That boy when he just called just now, he say our women 213.
Some.
This program, not the program of very short. Mommy, you already advise everybody. The men should learn, while the women should learn. So make anybody not come on the say the women too they all those things. Not be say they look for woman make me they talk that we all have to learn. This is a school. You understand me? I want to contribute with that.
Okay, he say what? Where say? Where say? Hello.
Hello, come on.
Hey, Osaiti, where? Hey. Eti Jesu Christi no do wujo korima. Uga lo anoti oye women na tuga me deliverance we tada gun we ga fi wori. No lo anoti oye women no boy ekuku ne gin aga kawe ba eni Jesu. Ka Osaiti we. The may bless. Hello, God bless you.
bless you, ma. Mom, you don't talk, man.
Isa o side to eh.
Come on. Message what give you now? What's the message now?
Sa wese.
What's the message now? Come on, me.
Side to eh.
Come on. No, the teacher, who are no, any teacher, not the. Now we're 42, we are 44. We get anywhere between 35 to 40. I mean, what teacher we know there. Because now we might be an I know, be a man, no, my couple, you know, what, but 35 and 40. Come on.
Okay.
And my car be there.
Uno years uje
42.
42 we Spain. Tie number we wala jani atie we aru eten atie wo select no mo nyime.
Okay.
Tie number we la jama ya atie we baba na. Ugwale no mo nyi ya eten o 20 atie we. Wo he choose no like. Tie number we ya dam yo.
Okay. Plus 234. No. Plus 34.
Plus 34 one more. This is original man. Explain on J on winner. Okay, on winner half man. Oh yeah, get here.
Okay. Plus 34. 61. No, 632. No,
attention one more. Attention more now. Plus 34. Plus 34. 631 2876. 7601. Plus 34 631 287601. What a babana?
yes.
A quality man. Okay, I was so clear. Of a four who zigo beboy. Hey, call side to a yard we baba. Yonya Africa store, you know, the Madrid. While what to the train station? What it Spain. The man me, what me, what to the train station on Africa stock, man, river. Yonya. So, Gualoco, why you was Africa store, no gelevon, a man on Africa store, ni. I mean, your man here way, ya said begile momo. Invite ya magimi ya waro. I never know my own spray bet. Only a bang out to you. You only had to hear a live video. Hello, brother. Brother Carl, it's a live video. A mere live video. Mere live video. One brother me azobo ya ti we won. Okay. Hello, God bless you.
Hello?
Hello, Saitiwe.
Hello? Okay, you know who's talking to you now?
Who is talking?
Do you know who you, totally?
Please check your number you call.
And you check my number?
I said, may you check your number. Check the number so that you will know the person where you call.
I know. Now you know you give me your number. You know you will tell you.
But you're not supposed to aggress me like this now. You aggress me like say I be honorary person. You know dignity now. How can you just call me go say no they talk to you now. No greeting, no respect, no. They don't talk to me like this.
No, okay, good. Okay, no. Okay, good afternoon, please. It's my apology. Just mind. I have to say this one. Listen, good afternoon. No, I'm my apology anyway. Sorry.
Please just hold on. Let me pick this direct. Hold on. Hello. Hello. Ah, Jesus Christ. Wa ti oma. Oma ni kere o. Oma ni polo o. You must greet that person. Not ti oma ka tu oma. We are the king win alawa. Nudova wo wa. Even when we ka king win a race, you can even say, "Una aro wa o. Ah, you don't come. Welcome. You know. That's so. Hello.
Hello, Mama Yola, Papa.
Ise o saiti we. Ise Emi ya wa ma. O. Iyan e. Awon yen ni jokpia. Orespe onanya the biggest saloon. The biggest saloon no respe. No re. We are table na we Spain yo. No wa the biggest saloon okin momo. Okwek me wa no. Okay? When we are na ni ya prefer ni wa dori e live video. Omo me va Nigeria, abi okpa we Nigeria, me va we Spain. On me be who me be se for ti be happy we. A store get up and down wa no. Yonya the biggest store, nya choke. Mo papa no wa ri ga jo, ariko wa sere. Is a hard-working woman. I know my normal way Spain. Ati Mama Doka. Ye ati Mama Doka one of Spain. Mama ni tie no ba we lati ha. Okay, who wa na ni ti yen. Anybody no yen ni ti yen baba na hin boss me ni ri enu e. Wo o ma ni ti no aya akwale nwu na wa se wa tota yo isto. Oma. Ya ti we baba. Wa mi stoge ala efo. Ore pamo di mayoka. Ani ma no ma we pamo di mayoka. Be pamo di mayoka. Ani ma no ma we pamo di mayoka. Hello, God bless you.
Hello, Mommy, you're the talk babe.
Isa. Coach. Hold on, ni mo direct. Hold on. Mudia. Hello from Italy. Good afternoon, sir. Yeah. Ushep, you need a wife?
Yes.
Okay. Don't worry, I will call your number. Come at Nakota.
Yeah, okay.
Hello, Janogie.
Idaveyo, a lawyer will see me there.
A message in what give you nine. Ben or
Erika na 50-50 no.
Yeah, almost no money make him. Or he was the 12 piano. Mammy, he was jay. Or you want your well, not what you do, not where I did toilet. Or you want to be better one with this on Yaki. Me Betty.
How are you Betty Yakunisa?
It's your one of you. Let me is so only. We anyway, then you expect now. It's a married, yeah. Me ba dey surprise even though ya okay can you even wait for I mean none ya
What oge wa baya oge
You got to
Awa do yik me be di Yakunisa Madaji
because it's okay, you come out. Oh, that soon is a little amount of no matter what your toilet, oh, about your tissue. Oh, about your tissue when all you toilet to melt with my honest, or maybe it's a way.
Oh, why you buff your tissue? Okay, Anne.
I don't think. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're not coming to remove the perspective. Then the next day. Every day now we hear tickle to someone. I cannot continue this. And I book can't do it, no book can't do it. And then with that, we love our four. And
work manager is true, it's true. You always know that one. Owa ari e toilet I fie tissue am tissue ya lelegbe. Ko ma me no ya kan oni sanse. Yi.
I want you. Owa de. Owa do ni owa love you. Oni say we go feel best ready. I'm person dey want to know. Owa ki yo e. This go on. This go be ah. What you na? What you na? No dey talk ma do love e. E wa love e. When me wa ke. O pe me wure e.
Hi. Nene boy give on una do CIA. Una is CIA.
Mommy, we be experience of too much pe. Oh wa ota. Ke you wa pere e face your me. I love you. Oh ga come back. You don't just like that and face me. Okay. No me anything like that face eh. Oh why you was scatter.
Wa we are. Oga me picture your Facebook awa awune. Oh, wa begi.
For 2 days or 3 days. If we can just touch that woman, okay. Mommy, only 1 day in that back now. Only 1 day. In that back. No,
Go, Oma. O say see well. Salobua. Hello.
Hello, Mama.
See me, oh.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
For this your program, so I still contribute.
Okay.
Now the big thing you did the whole world.
Thank you, sir.
So my contribution for this program, is for man body, is for woman body, none at time. So my take, my advice to all the whole Nigeria, all the whole African people. Tissue is not the best way to clean nash after shitting.
Okay.
My lovely people, we don't come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this video. Anyway, make una help us share this video, like this video, and then help us to comment what you feel about this video. We go see you now for the next video. Bye bye. Stay blessed.